Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tapshi Tech and Reviews. So today we'll do a quick unboxing of this Accusure Fetal Doppler, which I ordered from Pharmacy. So I paid around 1950. So let's quickly unbox this and see the issues I faced and what we get out of the box. So yeah, let's get in the video. Please enjoy. So this is what I ordered: Accusure Fetal Doppler. This is the information, 1 year warranty, and these are the other information that's available out of the box. LED indicator, frequency 3 megahertz, 50 to 240 BPM. It can detect signal guide indicator, auto power off, built-in speaker. So these are other information. There is some warning and cautions as well, and you can see the price over here that's mentioned 7,500, and it's from Accusure FD-01 is the model. So let me show you what I ordered from Pharmacy. This I've ordered from Pharmacy. So this is what it's displayed here. This is the exact product which I ordered. It's mentioned as a USB charging LCD display. USB charging I don't see. And if you come to the second, you'll see headphone connectivity. That also I don't see. And these are the other information that's available over here. And the button, if you see, that's in the front, and all the buttons should be in the front. Whereas the one which I ordered, this is the one which I ordered. You don't see any buttons in the front. So let me quickly open and show from the inside. So there's a user manual over here. This is all the information in the user manual. So if you see, as soon as you open, you can see the color difference from the one in the box and here. This is so white, and this looks like a very old stock, and it's all dirty. All the color is faded, and it doesn't look neat. So this is how it looks, and the model is also different. Buttons are on the side, power button is on the top, no headphone jack, no USB charging, speaker over here. And they also provide two batteries. I have not used this because I was planning to return this. I didn't feel like using this because of all these issues. Model is different, no USB charging. So it's kind of different information is on the PDP product detail page, and the one which you receive is a different product, so it bothers you a lot. So because of that, I'm not planning to use this. I use this as well using my own batteries, so I'll quickly show you that as well. This is how the product is. So if you see here, these are the other information, FD01. So you have to just take this out, place it on the stomach close to the uterus, wherein you can detect the fetal heart rate. So similar to the one you might have seen during the ultrasound visit, wherein they show the heartbeat of the fetal. Similarly, this should also work, but unfortunately, this doesn't work that way. The sound all are distorted, not very clear sound. I'll show you in some time that as well with my heartbeat. And I would also not recommend you all to buy this, because it creates a lot of confusion when you cannot detect the fetal heart rate properly. It starts creating doubts and confusions, bothers you as well. So it's better not to use this, and directly have doctor's visit, and directly detect the heartbeat during the ultrasound visits. That would be much more preferable than using this product. So let me quickly show you all. Let me put the battery and quickly show you all how this works. So if you hold this for some time, it should turn on, and it should show the battery indicator, the range, and if it start detecting the heartbeat or not. So basically you need to place this on the abdomen or close to the uterus, wherein there is a fetal, to detect their heart rate. And you can use ultrasound gel as well for this, to detect the heart rate um, properly. But I've used that as well, but still there was no luck. I was not able to detect the heart rate properly. Sometimes it comes, sometimes it doesn't. So you place anywhere, it will detect something. I've placed on my pulse, it started detecting some pulse rate over there. There is no sound though, but if I place anywhere else also, it will start detecting something. I don't know what it start detecting. So if I place it on my heart, you can start hearing the sound. You can hear the sound now. That is a heartbeat sound. The value which comes is also not right. Let me take this close to the mic and show you how the sound is distorted. It's not a very clear sound as you can make out. So this is without using any gel. You can use it for our heartbeat, but for fetal, it will require some gel to be used so that it can detect the heartbeat properly. But even after using some gel, it doesn't detect properly using this device. And so I would not recommend you all to buy this product because it creates a lot of confusion. I would also not recommend you all to buy this because it creates a lot of confusion when there is no heartbeat, which you cannot hear properly, and you have to struggle a lot to hear that heartbeat as well. So I would not recommend you all to buy this. So directly visit the doctor and do ultrasound test for this rather than using all this fetal Doppler. So yeah, that's about it. Let me know what is your thought on this product, or if you have used any other Doppler which has a much better result. Let me know in the comments. That's all in the video, guys. Hope you all like the video. If you like the video, please do the like button, subscribe, comment. Let's catch you in the next video. Until then, see you.